Live from Melbourne, this is 7 News.
A group of frustrated Mornington Peninsula parents, paramedics and police are taking radical action in a bid to save the lives of young drivers. They're posting graphic videos of teenage car crashes on the internet, and it appears to be working.
It's reality television in its rawest form, highlighting the preventable deaths of teenagers with devastated families left behind.
One thing that you do as a parent is you blame yourself for the loss of your child, whether you had anything to do with it or not.
Terry's 17-year-old daughter Stacey was killed 7 years ago. The P-plate driver walked away without a scratch.
To honour Stacey, Terry joined the Teenage Road Accident Group, a volunteer team of police and paramedics on the Mornington Peninsula who take their hard-hitting message to local schools.
And give these kids a fighting chance to be informed and make decisions that will help them.
Such has been the demand for their services here and overseas. The volunteer group has produced a free DVD.